In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show comments in Google Vids. Exploring the realm of Google's various applications can often lead you to discover new and effective ways to engage and interact, not just with content, but with the community surrounding that content. Today, we're zeroing in on a feature that, while simple, is crucial for collaboration and feedback, displaying comments on videos in Google Vids. To kick things off, let's begin with navigating to Google Vids. For many of us, Google's suite of tools and services, including Google Vids, has become an essential part of our daily digital lives. Whether you're leveraging it for personal use, education, or in a corporate setting, Google Vids offers a straightforward platform for hosting and sharing videos. To find it, you can simply search for Google Vids via your favorite web browser, or use the direct link provided in the video description below. This will take you straight to the landing page of Google Vids, and upon arriving, the interface greets you with a clean and user-friendly look. But to dive deeper and start engaging with video content, you need to make sure that you're signed in. Locate the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to choose an account for login. If you're already logged into your Google account in your browser, it will likely suggest this account for use here. If not, or if you wish to use a different account, now's the time to pick or switch to the account you intend to use for Google Vids. This is crucial because your access to certain videos and features might be governed by the specific Google account you're using, especially if we're talking about content shared within an organizational or educational framework. Moving forward, once you're signed in and have found the video you wish to view comments on, look towards the top right corner for the Show Comment button. This small but mighty feature is your gateway to engaging more deeply with the content you're viewing. Pressing this button does exactly what it says. It reveals the comments section for the video you are currently watching. It's through this space that viewers can share their thoughts, feedback, or even engage in discussions related to the video's content. Why is this important, you might ask? Well, comments can provide valuable insights. They can be questions that lead to further clarification on a topic, feedback that could enhance understanding, or simply engagement from the community or audience that's viewing the video. For creators, educators, or professionals using Google Vids, paying attention to these comments can be instrumental in fostering a community, refining content, or addressing specific queries that viewers might have. So, the next time you're exploring content on Google Vids and you're curious about what the community has to say, or if you have a question or insight of your own to add, remember this simple step. Just click the Show Comment button located in the top right corner of the video page. Engaging with comments can enhance your viewing experience, deepen your understanding of the content, and connect you with others who share your interests or concerns. To sum up, viewing comments on Google Vids is a straightforward process that adds a layer of interaction and community to your viewing experience. Whether you're a content creator looking for feedback, an educator seeking to foster discussion, or a viewer eager to see what others think, showing comments on Google Vids is a feature that connects and enriches the user experience. By following the simple steps we've outlined today, you can seamlessly integrate this feature into your video viewing routine on Google Vids. And remember, the power of community feedback and discussion can greatly enhance the value and impact of video content. So don't overlook the Show Comment button. It's your window to a world of engagement and insight. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. You're now ready to explore, engage, and connect more deeply with video content on Google Vids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Happy viewing!